good, y'all? It's your boy Trey, and today we back on these Resident Evil 5 joints. So birthday didn't go as planned, but you know, birthday didn't go as planned, so we not gonna do that birthday vlog. But we still got the we still got more gameplays to come. I think this is gonna be my last Resident Evil 5 job. And then we're gonna take a break, hop back on that little Nightmares, make a couple videos on that, hop back on this until one of those games get beat. I think that's just how we do that. That's how we just gonna do that. So yeah, let's get right into this. I think, bro, last time we was fighting, these things right here.
Oh my god.
Yep. Pop!
Something's coming.
Hey.
Watch out!
We go ahead and get this shotty out here. Pop! I missed. Pop! Stupid. Man. Get off! Get the freak off, man. Bro, she took the ammo. I'm about to tell you to take that. I was gonna take that. And I have no more ammo. Sit. Oh, I have no more ammo. Thanks for just sitting there. Your boy was up. And she took. Bro, quit taking stuff. Dang. Can I break this lock or do I gotta shoot it? Okay, I gotta shoot it. So I gotta waste a whole bullet. Basically for no reason. And I gotta shoot it twice. That's just wrong. That's just wrong. Dogs? Yeah, I remember this. Right? Dogs, right? Okay, no. That was the last part. Okay, cool. Alright.
Someone's here.
We're on the beach now. Is there any loot to be got? Hey, Shiva, I'm gonna need you to move, bro. You taking all the loot. I ain't messing with that, bro. Where these suckers going? Sit down. Catch that dude. Come here. Sit down. Come here. Stupid. Now drop some ammo. Alright, bro. Go in here. Wow, so I didn't even have to waste a bullet on that one door. Okay, cool. Bruh, Shiva, quit looting, bruh. He's been hanged from the ceiling. He's been hanged from the ceiling. Not the end I'd wish for. There's a key right there. Do I gotta shoot it, bro? Shoot the key, maybe? Yep. Let me get those keys. Reload. Okay, cutscene. Alright, so we gotta fight again. I ain't mad at it. Yeah, what it do? You ain't coming in. Back up. I hear my partner behind me getting smacked up. Bro, what did we do? Oh, it's a big boy. What it do, sucker? What's wrong with these foods, man. Let me get that. Sit down. Dang. Woo! Bro, like she keeps stealing the ammo. What are we doing? Open the door. Throw that down, boy. What's more ammo in there? Oh, it's a grenade. Let me get that. Appreciate it, gang. Oh! Man, sit your ugly ass. Stomp on him. Oh, he dead. Let me get that handgun ammo. Stupid. Stomp him. Oh, okay. He dead. Let me get that gold. Why are you just standing there? Wow. Sit down. Stomp on him. You bozo. Let's do it. I got the hiccups, bro. Sit down. He dead. Alright, he dead. You can get the coins for Sheba still. I know it's some wood in here. Yep. You can get them bullets. These coins. See, look at how they're trying to steal. Bro, move. Dang. What was that? Jump down into the water? I can do that? Ooh, okay. Alright, time to go. Let's go. More zombies. Against the wall. Oh, no. Chopper. Sit him down. Oh, that dummy. Let me get that. Let me get that. Oh, look at her stealing. Neck breaker. Bro, that John just said net breaker, bro. Get out. Stomp on him. Bro, sit down. You fight that. Let me get this. And let me get this. Shawty over there about that dodge. Come here, man. I don't even got no heals. She don't got no heals either. Let's see what's in here. A thermite. Let me take that. Any more loot to be looted? It's not looking like it. Alright, let's dip out. Keep it going down. Oh, it's another one of those things. Boop. Alright, pick up. Combine. Give it. Yeah. W Shiva. Alright, where do we go now? Alright, jump down. But we can't, like, we go around? Yeah, we gotta go around. And get that. It must be a boss fight or something coming up. Hey, yo! Sit down. Where you going? Sit down. Feel like Rambo in the John. Alright, get close to person. Oh, I just wasted ammo. Ah, stupid. Ah, stupid. Ah, stupid. Ah, stupid. Ah, stupid. Ah, stupid. Us. Us. Sit down. Us. Sit down. Us. Sit down. Us. Us. Sit down. Sit down. All right. Reload the shotty. Let's get up out of here. Ooh! Sniper rifle? You're not picking this up. I don't know what you thought this was. Yeah, you can get that. Give me the sniper. I don't know what she thought she was about to do. Cause it wasn't get the sniper. No. No. Talking about some stay frosty. Man, shut that junk up, bro. I'm not trying to hear that, John, bro. I'm over here about to get my face eaten over. They talking about some stay frosty. Man, shut that. Okay, so we're obviously supposed to go this way. But I don't want to do that. I'm gonna go this way. Hey man, thank you. Jump in there. Us. Bounce that man off the wall. Let me get that. Us. Sit down. Stomp on him. Us. Ooh. Us. Sit down. Us. Sit down. Us. Achievement unlocked, boy. Bruh, she over here taking ammo, bruh. I don't like her, bruh. I don't like her, bruh. This stupid CPU over here taking up all the ammo and junk, dude. I don't want this.
Okay.
We don't need this.
Thanks.
Combine that with that.
Give me the grenade.
Give me that back. Yeah, appreciate it. You don't need it, bro. They're over here trying to force me to give this girl loot, bro. She don't need it. Let me get that. You can get the grenades, bro. Shut up. Alright, let's go, bro. They're over here forcing me to give this girl loot. Where am I supposed to go? Okay, so I'm supposed to go this way. Up this hill right here. Okay, cool. Oh! Wow. Well. That man over there just got bodied. Yep, he did. Let me try to get this. Why is it even stuck in the wall? What am I playing right now, bruh? Bro, I'm not gonna try to do this, John, bro. Get up there. You killed it. Oh my. Every time I help her somewhere, 850 million zombies wanna appear out of nowhere. Get out of here. Bam! Stomp. Us. Come on. Bam! Come here. Us. Stomp on him. Us. Oh yeah. Hit him.
Oh, you can.
Stupid. Oh my god, bro. You supposed to be covering me. L teammate, bro. She supposed to be covering me. She's not covering me, bro. I cover myself. Yeah, yo dumb idiot, stupid. Yeah, get back up. Yeah, come here. Woo! Get back. Yeah, come here. Sit. Get your boy. You ain't give me that machine gun no more. Bro, you see, look at you, bro. You wasting bullets. Bro, let me get up there, bro. She's literally wasting loot for no reason. And I can't get up there. That's so trifling, bro. Bro, she didn't need that, bro. I needed that. Why didn't I should have picked you? Stupid. Bro, she will reload, bro. You're walking around with an empty magazine. Bro, let me get that. I don't even got nothing to combine it with. I just used it. Bro, who the frick are you? Get the kid! Dummy. Man, sit down. Sit down. Get back. Get back. You did. Bro, look at her over there looting, bro. Ain't nobody tell you to just do that. Hey, yo. Sit down. Sit the frick down. Can I break this? No. I don't know why. It just looked very breakable. Sit down. Hit him with a Seth Rollins. Did that man get up after being stomped on? Get He coming back for them headshots though. Let's open this up. Just money. Can never have too much money. I'll take that. I might have to jump across and make sure there's no more loot for me to take. Alright, go ahead. All I gotta assist her. Okay. Now can I get over? Of course I can. And of course 50 million zombies over there trying to get us. Come down right here. Yes, sir. They're trying to get me to use a sniper. I'm not going. Achievement unlocked. Wait. Yes, sir. Dang. Come on, baby, sucker. This. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get up out of there. Leave it alone. They is running. It's open. What's open? cross over? No. So what is she talking about? She over there getting smacked up. You talking about something so? Oh. Get so stupid. Oh, move. Okay, this door is open. Okay. Wait, I'm finna go get all that loot that you ain't get. Get all this loot. Shotgun ammo. Take all that. That's it? But I killed way more zombies, though. Let's get up out of here, though. Okay, I would say. I killed way too many zombies. For there to not be no good. More zombies? Sit down, boy! African booty scratcher. Stop on the back. Work. Chest. Sit down. Uppercut. Stop on it. Sit down. Stop on him. Bruh. He's still not dead. Ooh. African booty scratcher. Get off me. Sit down. Neck breaker. He's dead. Give me that. Sit down. Uppercut. Bounce that sucker off and get your ass back trying to steal the ammo. I get sick of her. I get sick of her. This that room we just in, wasn't it? No. Where are we? This looks like the room we just in. This is definitely the room we just in. Okay, cool. So go back downstairs. Move! Don't feel like looting no more. I feel like I have. Yeah, I'm straight for real. Let me just reload.
Come on!
I can't right now.
I'm straight. Bro, you're fucking free, bro. Checkpoint. Cutscene. Sucker, who is bruh? I gotta fight that? Bro, I'm straight, bro. I got really. That one. Choke. Turn around. Instantly hit him with the red barrel. Where are these suckers coming from? Instantly hit him with the red barrel. Fire! Instantly hit him with the shotgun. Sit down. Back up. Back up. Woo! Back up. Ouch. How did that just take away so much health? Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, he about dead already. Man just took 8 butt shots in the face. Move! Woo! Psych. Oh yeah. Pick up the sniper. This was the holy grail when it came to bosses in Resident Evil 4. Move! Sit down, sucker. Get over there. Yes, sir. She was over there getting cooked. Don't you got the grenades? Give me the grenade! Bruh, this nigga here got 3 grenades and not using them. This nigga's a dummy. Sit down. Sit down. This nigga's looting. I'm over here fighting for my life due to this fucking looting. Move. 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 I'm dead. Move. Psych, I ride. Move. Us, move. Come on, what to do? Move. Ooh, yes, sir. Move. Ooh, psych. Woo-hoo. This nigga's crazy. Move. Move. Hit him with a quick turn. Reload the weapon. Why do you gotta stand there? Reload. Ooh, boy. Woo-hoo. Bro, where's Shiva? How is she? Okay, bro. This nigga's throwing tomahawks and missed horribly. Shit! This nigga's not dead. I just stomped on this nigga back. Sit down. Oh my god, bro. How is this nigga's not dead? 8, 12 blood shots to the stomach. Oh my god. Yeah, do that. Now come and us. Get off it. I ain't gonna lie, that just kind of helped because I'm pretty sure I was about to get hit. How did the zombie not get it? Oh, my back. Pick that up. Shotgun shells. I need those. Quick turn. Run down this alley. You want to, bucko. Run down this alley you want to with your bare feet. Bah! Come on. Bah! Sit down. Ooh! Stupid. Come here. Right. Turn around. Good this. Stupid. Oh, you stunned? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, you missed it. This man is booty. I ain't gonna lie, I'm using all of my shotgun that want him. Oh! I'm using all my shotgun that want him. Heads out! Yes, sir. Phase tree. Boy. I got a key for that? No loot? I got a key? Wow. Okay. I ain't finna spend no time looking for no loot either. Even though I need some shotgun ammo badly. I ain't even gonna trip though. I do not feel like looting no more. So I'm not gonna do it. Simple. Well, except for that. Shotgun ammo? Yoink! Ooh, a crate. What's in there? Coins! Ooh, let me get that. Let me get all that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm rich. 100%. A whole bunch of nuts. Oh wait, I can use that.
Take it.
Roger. Still be reckless.
Yeah.
Thanks for the help.
Probably should have combined it with the red herb, then used it. But hey, what do I know?
Over there.
Over where? Over here? I was already over here. Help me out, man. Alright, let's go. Dang.
Oh my god.
Crispy fried. Dang! They got my dude looking like how Goku had Nappa looking. Random quick time again. I passed it, right? I'm over here getting drained. This is platformer at its finest, but they should be cooked on it. Get up out of there. Oh! My ego! Oh! Dang! Look at the gas pump. Where are these motorcycles from?
Man, am I glad to see you guys.
Delta Team Captain Stone.
Chris Redfield.
Shiva.
Thanks, Josh. I owe you one.
You guys know each other.
I trained under Josh. He taught me everything I know.
Shiva became little sister of the team. Now, Shiva, you must continue your search for Irvin. According to the data we retrieved from the hard drive, we believe he has moved on to the mining area. There's more info inside. We'll follow after taking care of business here. And keep your radio handy just in case.
Thanks, Josh.
My boy Josh. Man, what kind of phone is that? That is not an iPhone.
Jill.
I don't know which Resident Evil that's from. I don't know where that's from.
Picture, it's...
Your last partner? Yeah,
Let's move
that's
out.
what that was, right? His last partner. Ooh, boy. Not gonna lie, twin. I think that's where I'm gonna end it off right there. That's a nice little spot to end the gameplay right there. That's a nice little spot. I'm gonna go and get this edited up and upload it by the end of the day, probably. Boy. 5:32 in the morning? Need some sleep, my G. Anyways, if you made it this far into the video, if you watched the whole thing, you a GOAT, and I appreciate you. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. But I'm gonna get up out of here expeditiously.
The way that you been acting, I ain't tripping no more. Don't care about how you feeling, oh. Swear you can get to packing, I won't sweat you no more. That bullshit you can